Okay, so picked up this lens kit for my Samsung S8. Take a look at what's inside. This looks like one of the lenses. Probably the 8x zoom one. It also is supposed to come with telephoto, macro, fisheye, and wide angle. Excuse me. It's the case, phone case that goes with it. Tripod. This is for the top of the tripod, and you can clamp your phone into it. What other things in here? Let's take a look. Yeah, that's one of the lenses. One of those is macro, and one of those is fisheye. And I think, if I recall the reviews correctly, yeah, the macro and the wide angle, I believe, are the same lens, and they actually screw together. So this is in fact two lenses in one. And it comes with a polishing cloth, keep your fingerprints off there, and a carrying pouch for all your lenses, and a instruction manual, which I don't think I'll need to look at too closely. Pop this card out to frame your photo. Oh, well, if you wanted to make your photography appear like a Polaroid, and then another small cloth. So there you have it. That is what is inside the box, the Camkix 4-in-1 lens kit. Okay, so here it is, and this is what it looks like when you get the case on the phone and you put the phone into the tripod. The case that comes with it has a threaded socket in which you insert each lens in order to hold them onto the phone while you're doing your photography. So you'll need to use the manual focus when you're using the telephoto lens, depending on the distance you are from your subject. To accomplish this, there's a handy guide on the telephoto lens itself. Okay, so I set up the camera to take some shots so you can see what it looks like without any lens versus with the different lenses that are available with this kit. One thing I noticed off the bat was that the edges of the photos can be blurry sometimes, so that's something you might want to keep an eye on. It's not a deal breaker, but it certainly wasn't expected. I also took a walk and took some random shots so you could see how the lenses work. Nothing spectacular, but you get the idea. Overall, I'm not too disappointed with this lens kit. It's not quite what I expected, but it certainly gives me a little more depth in what kind of photos I can take through my phone. Overall, I'd give it like a 3.5 out of 5. You ever use these lens kits for your phone? What do you think of them? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give us a like, and share with your friends. It really helps us out. Here are some other videos. We hope you like them. Oh, and thanks for watching.